Cold calling tips. How to warm up even the toughest prospects. Have you ever had this happen? You pick up the phone, dial the number, and then that little voice in your head whispers, "What if they hang up? What if they don't care?" That's the exact moment where most salespeople lose the battle before it even starts. But let me tell you this, cold calling isn't a deadly trap. Done right, it's one of the most powerful weapons in sales. 1. Research is everything. Cold calling is not random. If you don't know the customer, you've already lost. Before you dial, do a quick background check. The company, their industry, recent news. This not only gives you confidence, but also sends the message, I care about you. Use LinkedIn, Google, company websites, even the prospect's own profile. 2. The first 10 seconds are gold. People decide whether to listen to you in the first 10 seconds. Never start with the tired cliche, "Hi, I'm calling from X company to introduce our product." Instead, try something like, "Hi, this is Erkin. I saw your company's recent investments in digital transformation on LinkedIn, and I'd love to get your thoughts on a solution that could actually save you time." Feel the difference? This makes you sound less like a salesperson and more like a partner. 3. Lead with smart questions. The goal of a cold call isn't to close the deal, it's to open the door. Use open-ended, thought-provoking questions like, what areas of digital transformation are you most focused on improving right now? These kinds of questions make the prospect think and talk. 4. Listen first, then talk. Too many salespeople turn calls into a monologue. The best calls? There's 70% the customer talking, 30% you guiding. Listen actively. Take notes. When a prospect feels truly heard, trust builds naturally. 5. Be ready for objections. I'm not interested. We don't have the budget. Now's not a good time. Sound familiar? Don't let it crush you. Every objection is really just a hidden way of saying, convince me. Respond calmly. I get it, budget might be tight right now. But actually, this solution is designed to reduce costs. May I share a quick example? Objections aren't roadblocks, they're opportunities. 6. Build a routine and track it. Cold calling is a numbers game. You can't make 5 calls a day and expect big results. Set a system. 30 calls per day. 10 meaningful conversations. 2 meetings booked. Do this daily, and your ratios will improve over time. Soon, you'll need fewer calls for better results. Measure, analyze, and adjust. 7. Energy and tone matter. Remember, they can't see you on the phone. Your voice is your only weapon. A flat, tired, unenthusiastic voice screams no. Keep your energy high. Smile as you talk. Your smile actually comes through in your tone. Final word. Cold calling is tough, yes, but when done right, it's the skill that separates you from the competition. Every no brings you closer to the next yes. Remember, sales is about courage. When you pick up that phone, you're not just calling a prospect, you're calling your future. So make the call every single day, because each dial takes you one step closer to your goals. And never forget, cold calling doesn't just make sales. It makes you more disciplined, stronger, and more motivated as a salesperson. For more practical sales tips, check out our previous videos. This is how to sell smarter, your guide to selling with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe